part, I think 3 or part 2 of Ava and what else? What is her? Ava and Ava's crush. Okay, you guys, are we gonna be doing math right now? So you guys, come on. Yeah. I will say you move. I need to get a chair for you. Okay, you guys have to move. Okay. Can you sit here? Okay. So we are going to learn what is 1 plus 1. What? Ew, this smells so bad. I know, this smells so bad. Oh, what is that smell? So, what is 1 plus 1, you guys? I know! Oh shoot, it smells very bad. What is that? It's 2. Good job, Nico. What's the next question? Okay, she kind of smelled right, same as me. Alright, what's the next question? What's the next question? The question is, what is 3 plus 3? I know. It's...
Make your bed. Make your bed, please.
It is 6. Okay, nice. Alright, so this book is really... Alright, what is 12 plus 12? What? She raised her hand. Is it 24? Oh my gosh! I didn't know that smart kid can know what is 4 plus 4. That's so amazing. You get a prize. Hey, give her a prize. Oh, I have this thing. Okay, thank you. Oh guys, so it's turning light out. Okay, here you go. What? That's not fair. I should have answered the question. Next time? Pretend they saying in their head, next time I will. Why you guys are making those faces? Oh, nothing. Okay guys, so this is the end of the workbook. Okay, you guys can have some free time now for 20 minutes. But I do some work on my computer. Okay, we put you in the student of the year to answer the very hard question. Come on, smile. Yay! There we go. Okay. Alright, you guys can have some free time now. Yay! Okay, now I can get out now. Come on, let's go. Yay! And pretend there's like a thunderstorm. What happened? Miss, what happened? OMG, the power ran out. Wait. Oh, the power ran out. Do you want to go see my iPad? Yeah. Okay, it's somewhere in this box. Warning, warning. Wait, I want to see. Warning, warning. Ah! What does it say? I don't know. You guys are so stupid. It says danger. What does danger mean? Ezra, you're so stupid. It says danger. It says danger. Now it says danger. No, it says danger. Danger. You guys are so dumb. How dumb are you guys? I don't know. What does danger mean? OMG. You guys are so goo-goo-doo. Okay. Oh no, my iPad turned off too. I hate this when this happens. And my iPad died. Hey! I'm so scared. Guys, it's okay. You guys chill. It's fine. I think the power is gonna go on soon. Miss Kalori! Damn it! Now my computer could not work. How am I going to text my best friend when she's at work? Even it's cloudy. OMG! I just heard a thunder noise. There's a thunder noise. Now it's raining. It's okay, you guys. Come on, to see on the TV. Everybody, come on. Okay. Come on, you guys. Let's go. According to my calculations, I think there's gonna be a thunderstorm today. Shut up, you little smart-ass kid. Come on, let's go. The principal tells us that we need to go where the TV is. I'm scared. It's okay, you guys. Come on, let's go. According to my calculations, shut up. Okay, everyone, come on. Okay, you guys stay right there, okay? Alright? You guys, stop it! Guys, so the temperature is not good today. It is 10 degrees outside and it's very cold. You better wear jackets and stuff. And this is live news. So there is going to be a very bad rainstorm. You have to be inside. There's going to be very loud thunder. You have to be inside. There's going to be flooding. Only a little bit. So make sure to get all your supplies and all your stuff. Because it's going to be very bad. Thank you for watching 5 News. Peace off. Actually, wait. It's gonna be there for the last 2 days. So you have to stay up somewhere high in your house. All the buildings are closed because they're now no more thingy. So that's it. Bye. Who scared us? So funny seeing you guys' faces like that. Stop it right now. Come on, everybody, come on. We need to go to over there. Come on. We need to hide in a corner or something. Or maybe somewhere there's not a window. That's what it said. Okay. Come on, everybody, we need to put, let's just switch you. Go see yourself. If you go see yourself, there's a window. There's so many windows everywhere. Hey, Teach? Yeah, what do you want? We can sit here. Everyone. Come on, everyone, let's go. Okay. It's a very bad wind over there. I hope we be safe. And in Avery's view. I think I'm going to be late for classes if I don't get there. And it's my first day. How could I be late in my first day? I'm gonna put this here. Hey, best. Hey, bestie. Oh my goodness, I need to hold you. Oh, who's that cute boy right there? No. I cannot have feelings for a boy that looks handsome. No, keep an eye on the teacher. Guys, where is the teacher? According to my calculations, I don't know. No one asked you. Where is the teacher? Nope, we don't know either. According to my calculations. Yeah, according to my calculations. I don't even know where this girl is. Maybe she's running late. Guys, I'm so sorry, you guys, that I'm so late. I need to get to teaching. Oh, shoot. I'm here with a smelly boy. But I have to deal with it. Okay, so today, you guys, we're going to be learning about how the dinosaurs killed the aliens. So, I'm going to pass... Okay, so, Eric is going to be passing you out books. Yeah, I'm Eric. So, you guys introduce your names since all of you guys are all new. Okay, my name is Cooper. My name is Avery. My name is Emma. Braylee. No, my name is Emma too. Stop lying. Your name is not Emma. Okay, my name is Emily. My name is Jacob. Jacob looks cute. Yeah, I don't have to have feelings for a guy that I just met. More like just say his name. But then these are chairs, not real chairs. Cause yeah. So, okay. So Eric will pass out the books, and my name is Miss T. Okay. 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 Alright. Okay, I will be. Yo, I want you to pass out the books that are right here. These are history books. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. You be good both books. Wait, I think it was this one. I think it was. Here you go. And here you go. Thank you, buddy. You're welcome, sissy buku. Shit has to be red. Oh, whoopsie. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Skibbity Alpha? What the Skibbity Toilet? What the gap? Nothing. Okay, so you guys sit down on your goddamn gap on your seat. Oh yeah, here's a book. Let me get myself a book too. Okay, everybody, sit your biggie ass self on the thing. Okay, I'm just gonna move you there, Eric, okay? Cause you kinda smell bad. Hey, don't call my butter smell bad. Yeah, even you guys are dumb too. Okay, so we are gonna learn how the dinosaurs killed the aliens. Open to chapter 6. Open to chapter 67. 67. Guys, shut up. Okay, jeez, you're just saying 6, 7. Maybe do it. 6, 7. And let me just sit down. Oh yeah, let me do it too. 6, 7. Everybody else do it. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. 6, 7. Oh yeah, sit back down. This is my assigned seat. This is my assigned seat. This is mine. Okay, you guys sit your biggie ass self down. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to take a picture.